Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to get your LLC in the state of Alaska, and I'm also going to show you how to get your EIN. Your EIN is basically which is your employer identification number. This is what allows you to open up a business bank account with any bank you want, and also lets you hire employees under your business. If you want to sign up for your LLC, click the link down below. I'm gonna show you step by step on my laptop, and you can follow along and have your LLC being processed within 5 to 10 minutes. That's how quick it's gonna be. So let's hop on right now. So once you click the link, it's gonna take you here to Tailor Brands. This is where we're gonna be doing our LLC. I've done all of my LLCs through Tailor Brands. I had no issues, and it's a seamless process. So here we're gonna go to Alaska and go next. Here, then we're gonna add our business name. So let's get our business name in here. And there we go. It's available. Okay, so they're gonna be asking us a few questions. Don't worry about what you're putting in. Any of things you answer here does not affect the outcome of your LLC in any way. So if you're kind of hesitant answering something, don't worry, don't stall. Just click what you think fits best, and let's move on. So here, what stage is our business in? Let's say already in business. And then what industry? So I do e-commerce, do Amazon. So I'm gonna put Amazon sales, and your industry should be there. They have a big list. So let's go next. I sell physical goods. Are you planning to hire employees upcoming year? I don't have any employees, but you never know, so I'm gonna put not sure. Or income goal, less than 80, more than 80. I'm just put I don't know. Where we operating from? I do online, put e-commerce. If you're a brick and mortar or on the go, put what fits best. And then here is also what Tailor Brands also provide besides an LLC and EIN. If you wanted to work on your logo, if you needed a website and a domain, insurance for your business, do a trademark, they do it all here for you. So today we're just focusing on our LLC and also our EIN if you're interested. So let's hit next. This is just a checklist. You don't need to do this. If you're watching this video, how you discover us, you put YouTube. Here they offer the 12-week coaching program. If you want to do it, it's free, but I'm gonna put no thanks for now. And then here we're gonna put our email information. This is how you're gonna be making an account for Tailor Brands. So let's fill this out real quick. Okay, once we are done entering our email information, it's gonna bring us up to this next page talking about our EIN. And exactly what I told you is to open up a business bank account and to hire employees. So if you're interested, I'm gonna show you at the end how to do it to make it like a cleaner look. I'll handle it at the end myself. If you're interested, at least you can still do it at the end, don't worry. So assign your registered agent is required for Alaska. So when it comes to a registered agent, what it basically is being that registered agent is going to be the person who's going to be receiving all the documents and mails from the state of Alaska. So if you live in the state of Alaska, you yourself can put yourself as the agent. You will be the agent for your LLC, and then the state will send you all the information to the address you provide them. If you don't live in the state in which you are filing your LLC, you can use Tailor Brands and they provide you that service. So if you do live in the state, don't worry, You'll appoint yourself as the registered agent, and then you'll get all the mail and documents that the state needs to send to. Here, they're talking about annual compliance. So every year you do need to renew your LLC. So that's your annual compliance. If you want Tailor Brands to be taking care of that for you, you can go for it. You can do it yourself. As you put yourself as the agent, you'll be receiving that document within the mail, and they'll should tell you how to renew it, and you more or less you take it to a website and it's like paying a bill. Very easy. This is a branding toolkit. We don't need that. We just want our LLC. Next, if you want your LLC quick, they do offer an expedited filing. You get it within 2 days, or you just get it normal 14 days for free. So just put 14 days. The operating agreement, really don't worry about this. You'll do this at the end. Here they offer tax paperwork, legal documents. They tailor all that for your business if you wanted to do it, but we're just here for our LLC. And here is if you want to get notified about the process of your LLC. So let's get notified. And here towards the end, we got showing us the 3 tiers in which you can get. The light is just you're getting your LLC processed. As you can see down here, we're gonna see a state filing fee. State filing fee for Alaska is $250. No matter where you go or what you do have to pay the state filing fee. And then every year when you renew, you have to pay that same $250 to renew your LLC to keep it active. So no matter what, we're having to pay today $250 for estate filing. If you want the essential, they're offering the 2-day expedited. And then the next one would be they're offering a website and a domain. But we don't want all that extra stuff right now. And all this $99 a year, we just don't want that. So we're gonna be going to go with the light. So this is the end. Here is telling us this is the Alaska state filing fee. It's to be $250. As we scroll down, I was telling you if you wanted to do these add-ons, if you wanted to do the 2-day expedited for another $49, you could. And we go a little more down, we'll see also the EIN, which I recommend you do to get it out the way. Due today, if you were to check out, it will be $250. Once your LLC is done being processed, then you'll be charged with the EIN because your LLC needs to be done first to do your EIN. And so once that's done, Tailor Brands will take over and do your EIN. So today, if you're to do that, you have to pay the $250. And that is it, guys. That's how easy it was. After you pay right there at that point, I can't go on or I'll get charged. They ask you like 1 or 2 more pages about information, like who's going to be on the LLC, and you just fill that out. Easy forms to do, don't worry about it. I hope this whole thing helped you out. You did your LLC alongside with me. If you did find this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe. If you found any issues, leave them down in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, leave also another comment. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it was. It was quick. Within 5 to 10 minutes, we got it done. That's how easy it was. So thank you, guys. Hope this video helped a lot. Bye.